My name is Dr. Gopal Kutwaru, and I am the Program Director and Program Author for the Powerful Digital Marketing Strategy and Campaigns program for SABIC. So it's my pleasure to address you today and tell you a little bit about what's in that program and how we've structured it. But I think it's a very exciting opportunity for SABIC colleagues today to learn about the powerful impact that digital and digital marketing can make on your strategy, and also achieving the performance that's required, and also, of course, that added level of additional competitive advantage to make SABIC stand out. So really, the program is a 3-day program with 8 sessions in total. And the whole idea is that it's going to prepare you on the topic of digital marketing, but how do we move away from traditional marketing and move into really digital marketing? And how do we create the right content? What are the right communications, but also as well, what are the right channels within digital that we can go out there and start building our messaging, and also building our very presence at SABIC, and get this being felt and heard and received and seen by our customers, as well as our partners there as well. So we're going to be learning a lot about digital strategies, digital tactics, digital tools. We'll be looking at digital integrated campaigns and techniques there as well. And we'll be covering the areas within digital that are critical to make sure that that we actually have a wonderful and a very optimized presence online. And that includes looking at search engine optimization, or SEO. We will look at pay-per-click, including Google marketing and looking at Google AdWords, and also additional areas around how pay-per-click is developing and evolving. We also will take a significant look at business-to-business social media specifically. So how do we grow our social media presence, both in terms of the content that we develop, and also recognizing the channels, but more importantly, getting to the audiences that we need to get to. You've got also partner marketing and partner digital marketing, and I'll talk to you about the business models around affiliate models that exist there as well, or digital affiliates. We'll be talking about online advertising, including ad networks and also behavioral targeting as well. We'll also talk about, email marketing, and email marketing is a very powerful area, but not done well can unfortunately compromise our approach. But we will look at techniques and ways in which we can grow our email, and also our site content and our copy, what that looks like. Also, what's the position of mobile marketing? So obviously with smartphones and tablet devices, what can we do around those form factors? And do we understand the journey as well for our customers, who most of the time will be receiving our marketing through a mobile, or indeed through a tablet device, before they even get onto a desktop device, if they have a desktop device, of course. So we'll be talking about that transition and what the difference is there, and how you market to these different form factors. And also we'll be talking about digital display advertising as well as how do we build, with tools and techniques and frameworks, digital marketing strategies, and how do we plan for a digital world. So really, the learning outcomes for our SABIC business and colleagues is, we're going to learn powerful tools to drive marketing effectiveness and sales, understand these modern perspectives, and also how our vendors and different petrochemical vendors are using digital as well, and what they're doing and what's happening there. Our marketing strategy, and making sure that we market based on customer value and prospect value there as well. Also understanding some future tools as well that will be becoming more online, or rather more into the mainstream as we move into the future. And then also, how do the SABIC people and structures inside the business, how do we organize around digital marketing? Who does what? What are the swim lanes? And what are the roles and responsibilities of a digital marketing function? We'll be talking about that. And also how it affects your go-to-market strategy, and also a large component of your budget moving towards that digital world. Where do we spend it? What are the right decisions to make? And really one of the biggest things is, how do you construct beautifully constructed digital blended campaigns as well, to make sure that you're hitting the audience in the right way, but also you're getting that feedback in. And we'll talk about KPIs and scorecards, etc., so we can measure the return on investment that you're getting in your campaigns as well, in your series of campaigns that you'll run throughout the year. So, in summary, it's a powerful 3-day program on digital marketing strategy and campaigns. We will take you through the latest tools and references.